Next point from the solid state is cubic lattice. There are three types of cubic lattice: simple cubic, body centered, and face centered cubic. When all atoms are present only on the corner, there are 8 corners to the cube, then it is called as a simple cubic. All atoms present on the corner. Here all atoms are present on the corner and one atom present on the body center. Then in face center, all atoms are present in corner, but there are 6 faces: 1, 2, 3, 4, front face and back face. So there are 6 atoms are present on each faces. There are 6 atoms, 6 faces, and on 6 faces each atom, one atom is present. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 front face and back side, and each atom present on the corner. Then next, Bravais lattice, or there are the types of cubic lattice. Here you know that all edge length are same in cubic lattice. A is equal to B is equal to C, and bond angle alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree. All bond angles are 90 degree. Then tetragonal lattice. This is tetragonal lattice. The tetragonal this is tetragonal unit cell. The tetragonal unit cell has 2 sides equal. 2 sides are equal. A is equal to B, but B is not equal to C. Alpha is equal to beta, beta is equal to gamma, gamma is equal to 90 degree. It can form two types of unit cell: primitive or simple unit cell, and second body center tetragonal. I already told you primitive, that means, or simple unit cell, that means what? All atoms present on the corner only, and in body center all atoms present on the corner and one atom present on the body center. This is the 2 types of tetragonal lattice, 2 types of unit cell, primitive as well as body center, in which A is equal to B but B is not equal to C. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree. The next one is orthorhombic lattice. In this orthorhombic lattice unit cell, this is orthorhombic unit cell, has 3 sides different. You know that A is not equal to B is not equal to orthorhombic. A is not equal to B, B is not equal to C. Actually, in case of orthorhombic, all sides are not equal. All sides are not equal, and bond angle alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree. In this case, the orthorhombic, there are 4 types of orthorhombic unit cell. First one is primitive, all atoms present on the corner in orthorhombic. Then body centered, all atoms present on the corner. You can see here all atoms present on the corner and one atom present on the body centered. Then end centered, all atoms present on the corner and opposite to faces. Opposite to faces. Okay, this is end center. Then face centered, all atoms in face center, all atoms present on the corner, and there are 6 faces: 1, 2, 3, 4. This is front face and this is back face. All atoms present on the corner as well as each faces one atom. It is called as a face center. Here A is not equal to B is not equal to C. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree. Then next one, monoclinic lattice. In this monoclinic lattice, there are monoclinic unit cell has all sides of different length. A is not equal to B is not equal to C. Alpha is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree. But beta is not equal to 90 degree. There are 2 types of monoclinic unit cell. There are 2 types. First one is primitive, second one is end center. In primitive, all atoms are present on the corner, and in end center, the all atoms are present on the corner, and two atoms present on the faces, but these faces are opposite to each other. The next one is triclinic lattice. In this triclinic lattice, this is your triclinic lattice unit cell. All three sides are different length. A is not equal to B is not equal to C, and bond angle is different than 90 degree. That means alpha is not equal to beta, is not equal to gamma, is not equal to 90 degree. म्हणजे alpha, beta, gamma is not equal to 90 degree, and only one type there. Triclinic lattice, it is the primitive, all atoms present only on the corner. The next one is hexagonal lattice. In this hexagonal lattice, hexagonal lattice has two sides of equal. That means A is equal to B, but B is not equal to C, and bond angle is alpha and beta. This alpha and beta are 90 degree, but gamma is 120 degree here. This gamma is 120 degree here. And in this hexagonal lattice cell, there is only one primitive hexagonal lattice. This is your hexagonal lattice. Only atoms present on the corner in this hexagonal lattice. And last one is rhombohedral lattice. In this rhombohedral lattice, in a rhombohedral lattice, there is all edges are same. That means what? A is equal to B is equal to C. In rhombohedral unit cell, all the sides equal in length. Two axial angle are equal. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to not 90 degree. That means alpha is equal to beta is equal to 90 degree, but gamma is not equal to 90 degree. You have given one chart there. You must remember the chart. You can see here. This is first one is crystal system. There are three types: cubic, cubic, and cubic. Here type is simple, second body centered, face centered. The all edge length are same. Bond angle also 90 degree. And example for the simple polonium, body center Fe, Rb, sodium, titanium, tungsten, zirconium. Then for the face centered copper, aluminium, nickel, gold, silver, platinum. The next type of the crystal system is tetragonal. Next type of the crystal system is tetragonal. There are two types, primitive and body center. Here A is equal to B, but B is not equal to C. A is equal to B, but B is not equal to C. Alpha beta gamma is equal to 90 degree. And example for this SnO2, titanium O2. The next one, orthorhombic. Orthorhombic has four types: primitive, body center, face center, end center. Primitive, body center, face center, end center. Here A is not equal to B is not equal to C. In orthorhombic, all edges or all length are not same, and bond angle in this case all are 90 degree here. Example is KNO3, BSO4, MgSO4, 7H2 monoclinic, orthorhombic, rhombic sulfur, KNO3, then BaSO4, MgSO4 and 7H2. The next type is monoclinic. Monoclinic has two types, primitive and end center. In this all edge length are not same. bond angle here alpha and gamma are 90 degree, but beta is not 90 degree. The example of this primitive monoclinic sulfur and end center of the monoclinic is Na2SO4 and 10H2O. Then next is triclinic. There is only one types, primitive types of unit cell. All age length are not equal. Bond angle alpha, beta, gamma is not equal to 90 degree. Example for this triclinic is K2Cr2O7 S3BO3. Then hexagonal, in this only one type, primitive A is equal to B, but B is not equal to C, and alpha, beta is equal to 90 degree, but gamma is not equal to 120 degree. Example is ZNO, BO, then COS, SNS. And last one is rhombo